my heart is lost. Then I started to search everywhere. Now in seashore, then I started my walk and also started to search my heart. But very disappointed, I can't identify it. Oh, just see, there is a person who's selling his love to everyone, and many people are making their life colorful in there. Then I started my walk. There is a bridge, it connected many persons to their dreams. I observed every tides. Now I understand every tides are unique, the strength, beauty, sound, but it is only in few times. Human life just like that. Now can you hear the delightful music of sea? Sometimes it's very close to my mind. The sun always looking at me and smiling to me. Then I try to smile but I can't because my heart is lost. But my sketchbook started to smiling and he captured a moment for me.